Nathan, the Champion Zone Network Administrator, is currently overseeing the deployment of Microsoft Exchange Server 2000 to meet the messaging needs of employees and soccer camp participants. To prepare for this huge task, Nathan uses the ActiveDirectory solution in Visio Professional to plan out the necessary changes to the Champion Zone directory structure. During Champion Zone's recent upgrade to Windows 2000 and ActiveDirectory, Nathan used the ActiveDirectory solution in Visio Professional to conceptualize the new site and directory structure. He refers to a diagram created during this upgrade to determine what directory changes need to be made to support Exchange Server 2000. Nathan can access common commands for each object in the diagram from the Directory Navigator window or the Directory Services menu. Nathan drags a shape from the new Exchange object stencil to represent the Exchange server he'll be deploying. Visio automatically creates the hierarchical relationship that Nathan expects. With ActiveDirectory already up and running on the Champion Zone network, Nathan can use the advanced ActiveDirectory solution included with Visio Enterprise Network tools to automatically generate a precise view of the directory structure. The advanced ActiveDirectory solution allows Nathan to import the structure of the live Champion Zone directory. All he needs to do is enter appropriate access credentials, select a container object to import, and apply filter settings. Filtering is very important, since directories can potentially contain millions of objects. Nathan can significantly reduce the time it takes to complete the import process by limiting the number of classes and levels he chooses to import. Two new options allow further control over how much information is imported and how long it takes to complete the import process. Nathan chooses not to import all properties to speed up the import process and minimize the resulting file size. Selecting this option allows Nathan to gather object properties from ActiveDirectory on demand when he requests them from the diagram, rather than importing and saving them into the Visio file. Nathan chooses to extend the default schema because he wants to import additional attributes added to the directory by applications like Exchange Server 2000. Once he has imported the directory structure, Nathan can add objects to the page, change the layout, add, delete, and rename objects, or view and even edit object properties. Visio lists all the imported directory objects in the Directory Navigator window. From the Directory Navigator window, Nathan can diagram various branches or the entire tree by selecting a container object and dragging it onto the page. Nathan saves time by adding multiple objects in a branch all at once. To improve the appearance of his diagram, Nathan can select from several layout styles. If Nathan needs more detail about a particular object, he can easily view its properties right from within Visio. He can even edit object properties if he needs to. Any changes Nathan makes to the imported directory structure can be exported to the LDIF format. This allows him to use Visio as a guide for updating the live Champion Zone directory. The Visio ActiveDirectory solutions enable Nathan to quickly design, document, and analyze the Champion Zone directory structure in preparation for deploying Exchange Server 2000.